guys, and welcome once again to Viper's Triple Eight Magic. And today we're going to show you a trick called Cut and Flip, and it's a trick that I basically constructed myself. So without further ado, let's crack straight onto it. Okay, set of cards, no particular random or no particular order as such. And what we're going to do, we're going to ask the guest, once they've cut the cards a few times, I'm going to memorize the order that these cards are in, or where they finish up in. So let's get the guest to cut the cards. So cut the cards as many times as they like. So we cut them there, and just for this demonstration we'll cut them one more time. Now what I'm going to do is look at the cards and memorize the order that these cards are in. And we get to that point there. To make it a little bit more difficult for me, is it was easy to remember the bottom card and obviously the top card. So what I'm going to do now is ask the guest to cut them one more time. So I have no idea what this top card is or what the bottom card is. So as the trick is called cut and flip, so I'm going to ask the guest to cut them one more time and then flip the cards over. So I'm now going to tell what this card is, and this particular card is going to be the 8 of diamonds. So let's say they actually cut to this point. This card is going to be the 6 of spades. And again, if they cut to that card, this card is going to be the 7 of hearts. So that's basically the trick, the simplest form, guys. Hope you like it, and yeah, if you want to stick around, and I'll show you how it's done very shortly. Thanks very much. Hi guys, hope you like the trick, and what we're going to do now is we're going to explain how the cards are put together and set up, so it enables you to, wherever they cut to the cards, the next card you turn over, you can actually tell exactly what that card is going to be. So basically the cards are set up in combinations of hearts, clubs, diamonds and spades. The 4-card scenario here. There's actually 13 sets of 4 cards throughout the pack, as in being 52 cards. Now each of these combinations are then subsequently divided into a subsequent pile or combination of hearts, clubs, diamonds, spades. Then there's a link between the club and the diamond, the spade and the next heart. So we deal with the first pairing, which is the hearts and clubs. So if you cut to a 3, for example, there's a numerical value of 14 between the hearts and the clubs. So cut to the 3 of hearts, take 3 from 14 to leave you 11, which in this case is the jack of clubs. And then the diamonds and spades, the same scenario. If you cut to 10 of diamonds, for example, you take 10 away from 14 to give you the 4 of spades. Now this, basically the third link or combination is between the clubs and the diamonds. So in this case, we need to find out what the next diamond is if we cut to the jack of clubs. So how this is set up throughout the pack is we take the example of the king all the way through to the ace, and then the 8 through to the king here, and then the ace to the 7 of diamonds in that part of it. the numerical link between the clubs and the diamonds from the king to the 8 is 21. So if we cut, in this case, we cut to the jack of clubs, we come up to the jack of clubs, we take that away from 21, which being the jack being 11, that leaves us with the 10 of diamonds. So if we then cut to, say for example, the king of clubs, you take 13 away from 21 to give you 8 of diamonds, and the 8 of clubs, 8 from 21 leaves us 13. So if you happen to cut to anywhere between the 7 and the ace, basically you take whatever card value that is away from 8. So we'll take this example of 7 of clubs, 7 away from 8 gives us 1, which being the ace of diamonds. And in this case, again, if you cut to the ace of clubs, the next card in the sequence is the 7 of diamonds. So the final link really is between, if you cut to a spade, what is going to be the next heart? Because it goes hearts, clubs, diamonds, spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds, spades. So the link between the spade and the hearts is a numerical value of 13. So if you cut to the 4 of spades, you take 4 away from 13 to give you the 9 of hearts. And then obviously the combination between hearts, clubs, again, 9 from 14 is 5, 5 of clubs. And the link between the clubs and the diamonds, we can make up to here, 5 of clubs, 5 from 8 gives you 3, 3 of diamonds. And then the diamonds and spades, because you know the spades is the next one in the sequence, is a numerical of 14. So 3 from 14 gives us the jack of spades. So that's basically how all the cards are set up. As long as you can start with any heart you like and work your way through, as long as you follow that combination of hearts, clubs, diamonds, spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds, spades, and so on. And in this particular case, 3 of hearts, jack of clubs, 10 of diamonds, 4 of spades, and so on. So if we were setting up the cards, the jack of spades here, that's 11, the next heart will be the 2 of hearts. And I'll just take a bit of a selection from the cards I showed in the trick itself. And as you see, Queen of Hearts, 2 of clubs, 6 of diamonds, 8 of spades, 13 between the 2 there, 14 there, 9 of clubs, Queen of diamonds, that's 12 plus the next one, and so on, and so on, and so on, and so on, and so on. The one thing that is vitally important, guys, is whatever you do, do not shuffle the cards, because once you set them up in that particular combinations and order, if you shuffle the cards, it will completely screw up where the cards are, and you've got no chance of finding out what the card is. So just remember, do not cut the cards. You can cut the cards anytime you like, and as long as the spectator or guests, when they're doing it, they physically cut the cards like this, and then when you cut the cards to find out what the next card is, turn it over and so on. So I hope you like the trick and the explanation, guys. So yep, put a tick in the like box if you want to subscribe, that's fine. I really hope you've enjoyed it, and there will be some future tutorials and card tricks with variations to this particular cut and flip trick. So yeah, have a great day, guys.